Tonight, a wonderful story about a woman who had nothing, and she is now living the American dream. And it all started when she moved here to the Bay Area. KTVU's Bob McKenzie has her remarkable story.
When Josie Latimer came to San Francisco from Texas at 22, she was broke, had no job, and no place to stay. Now she flies back and forth between her facial care clinics in Houston and Oakland and tends to her burgeoning online makeup business.
It happened because I took the steps. I mean, you can dream all you want to, but you have to take that step in order for your dream to come true.
Josie has done makeup for Patti LaBelle, Angela Bassett, and numerous other stars, has appeared on numerous television shows, and now you can find her in Good Housekeeping magazine, where she's celebrated for losing 51 pounds.
And I'm 53 years old, and look at me.
Oh, right. I'll stand back and look at you. Okay. Of course, she sings, too.
Baby, come as you are with just your heart, and I will take you in. I was raised Baptist, growing up very poor in Houston, Texas, and my dad raised 8 kids, and he was uneducated. And my dad gave me the dream, my dad and my mom, but my dad took care of everybody poor. He was always a self-employed individual, and he taught me how to believe in God to get the faith that I needed to survive in this world.
And next month, she'll be featured in a Jenny Craig infomercial.
You have to believe in yourself.
And take a risk.
Take a risk. You know, if you don't take a risk, how would you know?
He does makeup for men, too. So what's the moral of the story? Well, the moral is probably something like, don't just dream it, do it. In Oakland, Bob McKenzie, KTVU, Channel 2 News.